Choosing a school backpack might seem like a simple task until you face the overwhelming variety of models, sizes, materials, and styles available. But if you're a parent, you know not all backpacks are suitable for every stage. A backpack for a 3-year-old is very different from one for a preteen. That's why in this video we're going to take a look at 7 of the best school backpacks for children currently available in Europe, designed for ages ranging from 2 to 14. You'll find comfortable, practical options with various capacities and styles, so you can choose the one that best fits your child's real needs. As always, all the links are in the description. Let's dive in. We start with the Minecraft backpack, ideal for kids age 5 to 11, thanks to its capacity of about 15 to 16 liters. This model is designed for primary school, offering enough space for books, notebooks, a water bottle, and a lunchbox. It stands out with its theme design featuring characters from the game, something especially exciting for kids who already love the Minecraft universe. But beyond its fun appearance, it has what's needed for daily use: padded straps, a spacious main compartment, a zippered front pocket, and side bottle holders. It's made from durable, easy-to-clean materials, making it a solid option for school use. If design is what gets them excited in the morning, this backpack really delivers, so long as what they need to carry fits within the medium range. A good tip if you're unsure about size, check if standard folders fit without bending. In this case, they do. For kids aged 3 to 7, the Vaschy backpack is one of the best options available. With a capacity of about 11.5 to 12 liters, it's perfect for preschool and the early years of primary school. It's very lightweight, easy to handle, and most importantly, comfortable to wear. It includes a chest strap to keep it from slipping off the shoulders, a simple main compartment, a zippered front pocket, and 2 side pockets for bottles or small items. It also has an interior name tag. It's designed with small bodies in mind. It doesn't weigh them down or overwhelm them, but still offers enough space to carry the essentials without hassle. If you're looking for a transitional backpack between nursery and school, this one fits perfectly. Its structured shape also allows it to stand upright when placed on the ground, making it easier for kids to find their things without emptying it out. The Lässig backpack is designed for ages 3 to 6. With a capacity of 6.5 liters, it's a very compact option, ideal for the first years of school or nursery. This model stands out for its adorable designs, some with ears or animal-themed decorative elements, and its simple layout. It has adjustable straps, a chest strap, a front pocket, a main compartment, and side space for a bottle. It's not made to carry thick books, but is perfect for a change of clothes, a lunchbox, a water bottle, and a personal item. It's also very lightweight, making it ideal for little ones who shouldn't be carrying much. If you're looking for something small but functional for this stage, this backpack does the job perfectly. Plus, the cute designs often spark conversations among classmates, helping kids settle into new environments like nursery or a new class. Next up is the Skyspear, a sober and functional school backpack suitable for kids age 6 to 12. It has a real capacity of 15 liters, making it ideal for primary students who need space for books, notebooks, a pencil case, gym clothes, and other school essentials. It stands out for being lightweight, having multiple compartments, and being made with water-resistant materials. All of this makes it a very useful backpack not just for school, but also for trips or extracurricular activities. It doesn't have flashy elements or characters, which for many parents is a plus. It's practical, distraction-free, durable, and well-organized. If you're looking for a backpack that isn't tied to trends or licensed designs, this is a smart choice. Another important detail, its neutral design also makes it a great option to pass down to siblings at different school stages. For students aged 8 to 14, especially if they're already carrying heavy books or large items like big folders, the Travel Knot backpack with wheels is a great solution. With a capacity of about 20 to 22 liters, it combines traditional use with padded shoulder straps and the option to roll it thanks to its wheels and telescopic handle. This versatility is key for relieving back strain, especially on long walks or if the school route includes hills or public transport. It has several internal compartments for good organization. While it's bulkier and the wheels can get dirty with use, it makes up for that with the comfort it provides for daily loads. It's one of the best options for students who need space and extra physical support. A useful tip: if there are lots of stairs on the route, make sure the shoulder straps are comfortable. And on this model, they are. The Pokémon backpack is aimed at children aged 6 to 11 with a 17-liter capacity. It's ideal for primary school, especially if they're looking for something fun and colorful. This model is easily recognizable thanks to classic characters like Pikachu and Charmander, and it's usually a hit thanks to its visual appeal. Functionally, it offers everything needed: multiple compartments, durable materials, sturdy zippers, and padded straps. It's also easy to clean. It's perfect for kids who want to express their interests through their backpack, though as with other themed models, they may outgrow the design over time. While the enthusiasm lasts, though, this is a well-rounded and motivating backpack. And if you're looking for something that makes morning prep less of a battle and more of a joyful moment, this kind of design does the trick. And we finish with the Little Dutch by Tiamo backpack, designed for children aged 3 to 6. Its approximate capacity is 10 liters, making it a perfect match for preschool needs. This model has a clear focus on sustainability. It's made from recycled PET bottles, something many families appreciate as a way to teach values from an early age. It comes with adjustable straps, a chest strap, interior elastic bands for bottles, and a special compartment to keep drawings or schoolwork from getting wrinkled. Its style is soft, with no commercial prints and carefully crafted details. If you're looking for an eco-friendly, practical backpack in just the right size for this stage, this is an excellent choice. And since it's made from recycled materials, it sets an example of caring for the planet from the very first school routines. That wraps up our tour of these 7 school backpacks covering ages from 2 to 14. If you're looking for a small, comfy, and easy-to-handle backpack for preschool, the Vaschy, Lässig, or Little Dutch models are ideal. If your child is already in primary school and looking for a themed design to get them excited, the Minecraft and Pokémon backpacks more than deliver. If weight is becoming an issue, the Travel Not Wheeled option provides a practical solution without sacrificing space. And if you simply want a durable, functional backpack that works for everything, the Skyspear is a very balanced model. Always make sure the backpack, once packed, doesn't exceed 10% of the child's body weight to avoid back discomfort. It's also a good idea to prioritize models with a chest strap or ergonomic padding if they'll be used daily. And if it'll be hung on school hooks, make sure it has a sturdy top handle. Always consider your child's age, the actual volume they need to carry, and ergonomics. A backpack should be a daily support, not an extra burden. A good backpack doesn't just organize the day, it makes it better. All the links are in the description, and if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more practical recommendations. See you next time!